What's up everybody, Jamison Redding here with the Road Trip Angler.
There he is.
In this video I'm connecting with my longtime friend Eric Krause, and we're headed to the Pamlico Sound on the eastern shore of North Carolina to explore all the different species that it has to offer. We're going to be connecting with local captain Brian Dehart, who is going to share all of his local knowledge with us, so hopefully this video will act as a guide for you if you're looking to go fishing in the Pamlico Sound. Before we jump into this video,